Hello folks, John Goldstein here. I know the last time you saw this video over here, we were talking about how this RV left you speechless. Now let's take some time, give you an update on where we are, and we're gonna talk about the steps that we took to bring it back to life. Over here, we've removed the passenger side skirt. It's over here on the floor. We have all of the aluminum cleaned. We've removed all of the interior and the exterior skin. We're gonna come back and we're gonna cut the foam. We're gonna line both sides. We're gonna glue it all together, and then we're gonna put weight on the top and let it sit overnight. Right here we have the foam installed. You can see the glue that we used coming out. We sandwiched it together, we clamped it around all the openings, and we braced it top to bottom to give it pressure so that glue could hold. Giving it that flat surface. We tend to use sheets that are big enough for certain areas. Anytime you have to make a seam, we try to put it around a window, so that way when we're seaming, we only have to seam a small section and another section at the top. Fixed all of the subfloor. It's nice and true front to back. Now we've installed a new ABS liner, giving us a wheel well now that this is open. Nice, even front to back. Over here you can see one of the areas where we made a stronger brace that went from the floor and is resting on the chassis, and then we gusset it all the way out, trying to give support for the outer edge of the floor. And we've done that all along the coach in any area where we had access. Okay, so if you're talking about the sandwich of the wall, right? Last time we were talking about how there was damaged panel, and we've already come back and we've repaneled that. Thank goodness we had matching panel that matched the inside wall. We've come back and we've added lumber, so when we're clamping it down, you have something to secure it to. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna cut styrofoam to fit in all of this area. And then we glue the foam to that, and then after that, you glue the skin to the foam. Right here we have the whole entire slide out removed. It's over there getting rebuilt. Here's where it would be resting on the slide out ram. Got it all nice and masked up, so that way when we're gluing, nothing goes on the inside. After you get the Phylon installed, you have all these openings, and actually what we do when we take the old one off, we lay it on the ground over the new Phylon skin, and we trace it, cut it out, so that way when we put it on, all we have to do is some final trimming. Over here we have the driver's side skirt that's already been completed. We have the exterior Phylon already glued to all the new foam, cut out how it needs to be, making sure when we install it, it's a good fit. Okay, so here's the sandwich after you put it together. You have the interior skin, you have the foam that's been glued together, and you have the exterior Phylon that's already glued to some Luan, giving us the overall wall construction. So don't forget, take it one step at a time, talk about what the real issue is, and take it one phase at a time. Stay tuned and keep watching, and we'll show you how we bring life to this old RV, and when she rolls out, she's gonna look better than new. Like, follow, and subscribe, or if you're in Fontana, California, stop on by and see how this old, no, looks brand new. No, not old dog. Okay, hold on. And new look. And getting rejuvenated into a new looking.
One more time. That was great. That was great, and then roll right into.
This old RV comes back to life.
There you go. There you go. That's good. That's good. That's good. I think it should be fun.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
So